Welcome to DisputeFox. Introducing notaryfox, an innovative enhancement to our DisputeFox credit repair software. Now, CROs can leverage the capability of notaryfox to notarize power of attorney documents seamlessly. By incorporating notaryfox into clients' dispute letters sent to credit bureaus, experience a game-changing advantage. Say goodbye to those annoying stall tactics letters. notaryfox revolutionizes credit repair by introducing a secure notarization process for power of attorney. Let's explore how to make the most of this feature in DisputeFox. To begin, navigate to the Documents and POA section for a specific client. Here, you can find the Power of Attorney to be signed section. In the first option, labeled as POA with Notarization, you can securely complete the notarization process for power of attorney. Here, you can use the system-generated one, or you also have the option to upload your own custom template. The system template can be modified from the POA configuration located in the Portal Settings tab under Main Settings. Here, you can customize the POA template according to your requirements and click on Save to ensure automatic synchronization when selecting the system template in the Client section. If needed, you can revert any changes made by clicking on Reset POA Template. Now, let's proceed with the system POA and complete the notarization process using notaryfox. Here, you can review the document. Agree to the terms. By clicking Pay and Send to Client, your client will receive an automated email containing instructions on how to initiate the notarization process. With the second option, labeled as POA with self-signing, you can send an email to the client with the document attached. This service is free of charge. This version will not be as effective as a fully notarized document since it is just a standard client-signed document. Now, this section will be a quick overview of the client will experience during the document signing process with a notary. First, the client will need their photo ID or driver's license ready and a computer with working camera and microphone. Alternatively, they can use their cell phone as long as they have access to their email account. Second, the entire process will take no more than 5 to 10 minutes to complete, including the live video call at the end. Upon receiving the email regarding the invitation for the notarization process, the client will find a step-by-step guide, including how the process works. To initiate the process, the client should click on Get Started. This action will open a new window leading to the notaryfox page. In the first step, the client is required to confirm the uploaded documents by clicking on the checkbox and then click on Continue. In the Identity Check step, the client needs to fill in any necessary details if required, although most of the information is already synced from the client's DisputeFox account. Once done, click on Continue. Now, the client must undergo a brief test comprising of 5 questions, with answers known only to them. For the demonstration purposes, generic content is used here, but in real time, specific questions with selectable options will be provided. Once completed, the client should click Submit. Here, the client is required to upload their driver's license or photo ID. This can be achieved by selecting the photo file from the computer. If the client is conducting this process using a computer or scanning the QR code if uploading via a phone. Upon scanning the QR code, the website for document upload will open on the client's phone. This link can be sent via SMS or email too. Once the client uploads the required documents, the identity verification process will commence. The client will be notified of a successful ID verification on both their phone and the system. Afterward, click on Continue. Following this, an online session between the client and the live notary will take place to review the documents and get notarized. After the successful completion of the notarization process, check the required identification section under the Document tab of the client, where you can view or download the notarized power of attorney and it's ready to attach with the letters while sending to bureaus. In the AutoFox, conditions for the external POA area have been set up. At each step of the notarization process, both the client and CROs will automatically receive emails regarding the ongoing events. Similarly, for the internal POA, conditions such as POA sent for self-sign or POA self-signature done have been configured. In both cases, the CROs and the client will receive an email notification. notaryfox will help streamline an otherwise time-consuming process and is available exclusively for DisputeFox users. Thanks for watching.